Hi everyone. So in this video we'll see that how we can export particular elements data in spreadsheet from Revit by Dynamo. So for this video I'll show you that how we can export duct width and height and comment parameters as well in spreadsheet. So let's see. So I'll open my Dynamo player. Right here we'll go for export data. First of all we'll go for export data, then we'll go for import data again. So I'll open the input section of this script. Right here I can choose the categories what I want, but right now I wanted to go with ducts only, and I'll share the path of my spreadsheet in which I wanted to export the data from Revit. So I'll go for duct data spreadsheet and will play the script. Now the spreadsheet will also open. Right here we can see that we got width, height and comment parameters values of ducts in the model. Right here we can see that we do not have anything in comment parameters. So what we'll do now, that will import that data by giving the values right here in the spreadsheet, and will import that comment parameter values in Revit with the help of Dynamo. That we'll see in my next video. Right now we'll discuss about the export data only. So let's see what is inside the Dynamo script. So I'm just minimizing this spreadsheet and opening the Dynamo script for export data. So I'll just right here. Yeah, so this is my export data script. Right here we have applied categories. We can choose whatever we want as well in inputs, because I have given this as input. Right there I given the parameters which I wanted to extract from Revit, and we can change those as well. We can include this as input data if we need, or we can open the Dynamo script and we can change right here whatever parameters we need to export. Similarly, after that I have given the list of that, and I used data.export Excel. So that's how it is working. And thanks a lot guys for watching this video. We'll see how we can import this data when we'll fill the comment section properly in the spreadsheet, and we'll implement that particular data in Revit in my next video. Thank you.